If you learned something about leadership today, give me 2 claps. As a leader, we want to see what you're made of. Ask them, do you trust me? This is very important. For you to be able to build trust is what makes great leaders great. This part of leadership is about communication. We went from learning about communication to now we're going to be learning about your conduct. Your conduct is all about how you act as a leader. We just want to see if you give it your all. We just want to see if you're going to give it your best. Because as a leader, you're going to be given many assignments, you're going to be given many instructions, but are you going to give it your all? The first one was communication. The second one was conduct. Who can guess what the last one is?
Character.
Yes, character.
Life was tough, but I decided every day that even when life gets tough, I'm gonna power up. I'm gonna improve my communication. I'm gonna improve my conduct, and I'm gonna improve my character. So everywhere that I go, I'm gonna do everything with excellence. So this summer, even if you're the youngest in your classrooms, do everything with excellence. Make your family proud.
What can I do today to have a better character? Maybe I could stop listening to certain music. Maybe I could stop being around certain people. Maybe I could stop looking at certain things on my phone. If you learned something about other people today, give me 2 claps. Woo! Thank you so much for your time. We appreciate you.